In this video, I want to talk about how you can cancel your level 2 subscription on Webull. Now to do this, there are a few different ways depending on what phone you have, and you should do this from the app on your phone since it's much easier. So if you're on an iPhone, go to the iPhone settings, click on the Apple ID and select subscriptions, then find the one and just press unsubscribe. If you're on an Android, you need to go to the Google Play Store, click on your account, go to the subscriptions, find the one and just cancel it. Now, if you've done it through PayPal, you need to go to PayPal and go to the settings. Inside of there will be one called automatic payments. And in there, just look for the Webull one and click cancel. So these are the three ways to do this depending on what you subscribe from. And that's basically how it's done, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.